Hello and welcome guys. Today in this video I gonna to show you how to fix Windows Store get button does not work in Windows 10 PC. So friends, to fix and solve this error, firstly click on Start, then click on Settings. Now in here click on Update and Security. Click on Troubleshoot. Scroll down and click on Windows Store Apps. Click on Run the Troubleshooter. Click on Enable User Account Control and follow as this troubleshooter show you to do. And friends, after using this method, Windows Store application not work properly on your PC. And friends, following all troubleshooter guide, still you are facing error and your Windows Store not work properly. So try second method. Click on Start and type WSRESET. WSRESET. Click on this WS reset run command. You will see CMD opened automatically, and friends, it will close automatically, and Windows Store will open automatically, and it will fix all type of your error. So hopefully friends, this method will work for you. Thanks for watching this video. Please subscribe this channel for latest update, and please comment this video work for you or not.